You have to swear by me that you won't let anyone know that you have come here for Mohan.
What were you doing in Radha's room?
That? I was looking for Dulari. I wanted to tell her what to cook for dinner.
Bake Bihari, I'm telling you, if you don't return my Geeta to me, then I will stop talking to you.
Stop it! What are you doing?
Miss Damini, you had told us that you are going to marry Mr. Mohan. After seeing them, it seems the bride is someone else.
Mohan?
He again lifted her in his arms.
Excuse me, stop clicking pictures. Come this way and don't click photos. It's a family emergency. We'll have the interview later.
We came here to see your future family. But here...
You are unbelievable. She's a maid here. At least value Mohan's standards.
Leave or I will curse you.
Let's go.
They got afraid.
Hey. Shh. Hey. Hey, you. Hey, open your eyes. Radha?
I'm fine, Mohan.
How are you fine? You are not fine. Are you out of your mind? Or have you lost it? Just make it clear. Are you crazy? This Geeta was found in the shredder. Hadn't I found it, it would have been shredded. What happened, Mom? Is everything okay?
Actually, Radha has lost her Geeta and she has taken an oath that...
That silly girl has created a ruckus just because of a book. Stop! How could you lose the thing that you love so much? Tell me. What did you say? That it is special for you. This is very unique and only I have it. It's very special. Is it that book? This Gita asked me to save it. So I saved your Gita. And you were doing the drama outside. What was that? Huh? Don't look at me as if you don't know what I'm talking about. You were chanting while standing on one leg. That's very old technology. It's not in practice anymore. If you do that next time, somebody may hit you. Likes to chant. You often fall here and there. Stop doing that. You already broke your one leg. You will break the other one too. If that happens again, I will have a gift ready for you.
A gift? What will you gift me?
I here said so many things, but only the word gift got registered in your mind. Radha, you are the gift. I will give you a wheelchair with gears. You can move around anywhere in it. A gift.
Mom, I took Mohan to the office so that we look like a couple in public. Tomorrow they would have published news about my wedding with Mohan and probably Mohan would have ignored Gungun's condition out of pressure hadn't you stolen Radha's Gita. What did you get by doing that?
Well, dear, I have suffered so much in my life. So, sometimes my brain doesn't work. I just wanted Radha to confess that she loves Mohan.
For the last time, Mom, quit obsessing about who Radha loves. Don't you know she may not even know the meaning of love? And as for me, she's nothing compared to me at all. I have been with Mohan for years, and that also throughout the day. Be it home or office, he has left everything to me. That new girl is not a threat to me, Mom. I am telling you for the last time, if I face any problem in my wedding because of your stance, then you know well that how much I hate to lose.
What are you telling your mom?
Nothing, Mother. I just told her not to tell Radha anything.
Even I came here to say the same thing. Sister, you had gone to Radha's room in the morning. So her Gita must also have been there. How did it end up at the press? Don't tell me that you...
Oh gosh, what rubbish are you talking, Kaddu? I mean Kadambari. I'm not telling a lie. I don't even steal that mouth fresheners which you get in the hotel, which is free of cost. So, why will I steal this girl's Gita? May I lose my hands if I do that?
Enough, sister, enough. Damini, just ignore what happened today. Make sure nothing goes wrong tomorrow. That spoils Mohan's mood, all right? Tomorrow is a very big day.
Why? What is it tomorrow?
It's Tulsi's birthday.
Who keeps turning this photo?
Bake Bihari, I chanted the prayers on one foot only because of Geeta. But you granted my other wish as well. Mohan's heart is like a stone from the outside. But from the inside, he is still the same Mohan from our childhood.
What did you say? That it is special for you? This is very unique and only I have it. It's very special. Is it that book?
You were saying that this is just a book from... where does it come from? Printing press. It comes from there. It's not God's words. It's not priceless. It is worth 250 rupees. Then why did you get Geeta for me in a hurry? It shows that Mohan still values others' feelings and is devotional as well. Hey Bake Bihari, you have brought me up to here. Please help me reach my destination. Please rid Mohan of his anger and make him the same Mohan that he used to be. Like how he used to be cheerful and smiling.
Hey Radha! You are always up to something during the day. And during the night, you create such a ruckus while I sleep. Please go to sleep. Please sleep or I'll lose my mind. I will kill you.
What has happened in this house for so many years should not repeat this year. I am sure that you very well know that tomorrow Mohan will surely do something that is absolutely absurd. And this time even Tulsi's spirit is in the house. No such thing should happen tomorrow that we are forced to tell Mohan about Tulsi's spirit. Keep in mind.
No, mother. Mohan has agreed to get married after so much difficulties. I don't want any such thing to happen that will make him have second thoughts about our wedding.
But Damini...
Mother, I will take care of Mohan. As far as Tulsi is concerned, for that I will have to take my Guruma's help for that. In fact, I will go to her today. Tomorrow is Tulsi's birthday, and tomorrow it will be the last day for her in this house.
Tomorrow is your birthday, Mom. But nobody cares about that. No one celebrates your birthday. If you were around, then I would have given you a tight birthday hug.
Gungun, don't cry, dear. I'm right here. I'm with you. Don't cry. Gungun, just look. Your mom is here, sitting by you, Gungun. Right in front of you. Please don't cry, Gungun. Please, don't cry, dear. Please.
Birthdays are very special, especially for all those who are dead. Because it is the day when everyone remembers them.
No matter how much Mohan hates Tulsi, but he will surely remember her tomorrow. and along with his daughter.
That is why the spirits get more powerful on their birthdays.
Then what should we do? The fire ritual was obstructed.
When the spirits are most powerful, the chances to destroy them also increase. Tulsi will surely go to that space in the house which is quite special to her. You have to find that space and make a circle on it. And after you do that, when Tulsi enters the circle, you must capture her.
Capture? In what?
In this bottle. Tomorrow will be the last day of Tulsi's existence.
Shekhar, you know what day it is today. And you know how Mohan behaves on this day. So please handle him.
Aunt, you don't worry. That's the reason I'm here. I'll go and see Mohan. Let's place a bet of 1,000 rupees. There will be a huge scene today at home.
I never place a bet that I might lose because there will surely be a huge scene today. Because today is the birthday of the late Mrs. Tulsi Mohan Trivedi.
She passed away. But she left behind our sweet beloved Mohan to suffer forever.
Sister Dulari?
Yes, I know that you want to pray. Wait a minute. I'm cleaning the floor now.
Sister Dulari, can I ask you something? The puja for Radha and Mohan is incomplete without the plant of Tulsi. But I can't see the Tulsi plant anywhere in this house.
Shh. Keep quiet. That plant is not grown in this house.
There is a temple of Radha and Mohan in the house. There is a planter for Tulsi too. But why is Tulsi not here?
Quiet! I said keep quiet. Don't even take the name today.
Why? What a pious name. Tulsi. Hail Goddess Tulsi.
Keep quiet. Today is the birthday of Tulsi, our deceased sister-in-law.
Today is Tulsi's birthday.
Keep quiet.
I will now...
You won't do anything. Forget about the birthday. In this house, it is prohibited to even utter her name. Look, Radha, I'll never forget the favor you did to us by saving my grandchild's life. But Radha, that doesn't mean that you can do just anything that will hurt my son Mohan. Do you get it?
I understood that I shouldn't take her name. But there is no Tulsi plant in the house. How is that fair? How will there be peace in the family? First, let me find out how is he feeling.
Oh, you have arrived now.
But where?
I messaged you, right? There is a concert in Rishikesh today. We will go rafting in the day and go to the concert in the evening and drink beer. It's been so long.
Hold your horses.
Why?
You are not a 20-year-old. What's the matter?
If you have a problem with Rishikesh, then let's take the car out. Let's go to Mussoorie.
Tomorrow I have a hearing in the court. I have to go there.
You have a problem with Mussoorie too? Then we will go to bungee jumping. How do you like my blue socks?
They are amazing, but
So?
I am not interested in hanging upside down. I don't want to come with you.
So you will go to the court, right?
Yes.
Let's go to the court then. I've heard that there is too much drama in the courts. We will watch the drama. It will be fun. Let's go.
There's no drama in the court. There you have to face the truth, which is something that you are afraid of doing, Mohan.
Yeah. You are right. It's time to face the truth now.
Mohan, if you want to face the truth, then you should dare to go to the space in this house. That is the proof of my existence and our relationship. How long will you run away from the truth?
Now is the time. Time to face the truth.
Which space was special for Tulsi? Bedroom? No. She used to just fight with Mohan there. Maybe kitchen. She may never have entered the kitchen in her life. Then, which place could it be?
तेरे बिन इस दिल ने मर जाना, इत्मीनान है मुझे तेरे साथ। क्या करूं दुनिया के लफ्जों का, इत्मीनान दे मुझे तेरी बात। एक तू है, बस तू है।
Your morning start with this tulsi plant. And my mornings, hey, start with you, Tulsi.
That is your special place. Am I right, Tulsi?
Gungun, can I please come in? Hey, not like that. Give it to me. I will show you. Come on. Here you go. Is it fine now? That's your favorite doll, right?
Her name is Tulsi.
Once the circle is made, then Tulsi's memories will draw her inside the circle automatically. Once she enters the circle, the power of the sacred bottle will entrap Tulsi inside it. And after that, what I do with Tulsi will make her wish that she dies again.
Your time is up, Tulsi. Now no one can save you this time.
My mother's name is Tulsi. Today is my mom's birthday. Everyone in the family thinks that I don't know this. But my grandma told me that no one celebrates this day here. Hence I do it with my friends.
It's a birthday, so let's celebrate it like a birthday.
But how?
Wait. Please forgive me, sister.
Can't you watch? Where are you going? No. I don't have the time to get mad at you today. I am going for an important work now, and as they say it, one shouldn't spoil their mood before doing something nice. Go. Go on. Radha, I don't have to deal with you today, but Tulsi. Today will be the last day for her in the house on her birthday.
I am also going to do a good deed. I will make pudding for Tulsi on her birthday. I keep blabbering all the time. Aunt had asked me not to take her name in this house. Let's go.
To be honest with you, she has made your widow mother suffer the most. This widow will curse her, I'm telling you.
Pudding? Who cooks pudding on a birthday? Why didn't you bake the cake?
Look, Gungun, there are two things. Firstly, pudding is made on any good occasion in our family. And secondly, I don't like violence. And I don't understand why people cut cakes on their birthdays. I don't like it at all. So we will celebrate it with pudding, your mother, and Mohan's wife Tulsi's birthday. I mean, only your mother's birthday. Why the candle? Light this. Light the lamp. It's her birthday. Why should we put the fire out? The fire should always be on. That's how Bake Bihari's blessings are upon us. the way you love your mother, if you learn to love your father in the same way, then all the problems will end. One job is done. Let me do the job which will bring peace to the family. Mohan's anxious mind will be at peace.
Shekhar, what's the matter?
Aunt, look at this.
What?
What is this madness?
Mohan, what is this madness?
This is crazy, right? This is
Mohan,
final.
what is all this? What have you done?
Hey, it says my wife, not yours. Don't take it personally. Go ahead, make it.
Hey, no need to make a tattoo. Leave.
Hey, sit. He just talks. He doesn't take any action. And why are you talking so much? I am doing this at your behest. You asked me to face the truth. Look, here I am facing the truth. I mean, this will remind me of the biggest mistake of my life, right? See how it looks?
But Mohan, I didn't ask you to do all this.
Mohan, why aren't you trying to understand? You will get married to Damini in a month now. Then how would this look? What will everyone think?
Mom, I'm not getting a tattoo with Damini's name. Damini, disgraceful. Disgraceful Damini, oh.
Happy realization.
Yeah, that would be unfair to Damini. What shall we do? Do you have any idea? Any idea? You won't suggest anything. So Pass me the pen. Pen, yes. This is the best idea. You will like it too. Look at this. My first wife was disgraceful.
Mohan.
I have a suggestion. What if you tattooed these words, that Tulsi was disgraceful?
Tulsi.
Oh, come on, Mohan. Get that tattooed. Tulsi was disgraceful.
Rahul, what nonsense is this?
Write it.
It seems that Guruma's trick worked. Hail Guruma!
Get me out! Get me out of here!
That's amazing. Someone made a rangoli to welcome Tulsi before I arrived. Such a beautiful rangoli. Uncle, who made this?
Miss Damini was doing something here.
Wow, Sister Damini. You are such a great artist. Hey, who kept this dirty bottle here? The surroundings of Tulsi should be clean. Let me take it away from here.
She's here! She's here!
I know she's here. Even after death, you have been so lucky, Tulsi. But for how long will you escape? I will finish you.
What are you doing?
Mohan,
Tulsi?
Ketki, what madness is this?
Radha!
What are you doing, Radha?
Where is the bottle that Guruma gave me to capture Tulsi? Where is it?
Aunt, this is Goddess Tulsi. You know that it is inauspicious to keep an empty Tulsi pot.
You have burnt and killed your wife. You are a murderer.
A mother is cursing you today. The way I'm yearning for my daughter. In the same way you will yearn for your daughter's love.
You are not my dad. I hate you. What will you do? Will you beat me? Or else you will kill me. Just the way you killed my mom.
Look, I have not killed your Mohan, Gungun.
Who asked you to do all this? Just tell me.
I just...
Just what, Radha? You are doing as you please. Who asked you to plant this here? Just tell me.
I was doing all this for the peace of this family.
Peace! As long as you are in this family, how can there be peace? You are the daughter of a priest or an occultist.
But Aunt, I thought that...
Why do you think? Who asked you to think?
And anyways, our Kaddu, I mean Kadambari, she is very intelligent. We don't need any intelligence from you.
Has your father only taught you about the ancient scriptures? Didn't he teach you to honor someone's feelings and nobility?
That's true. Since she has come here, there have only been troubles and troubles. Every day there is a new trouble. There are so many conflicts.
I had asked not to do so. I had asked you not to utter her name in this house, right?
But Aunt, I took Goddess Tulsi's name. I didn't take her name.
Why?
Have you gone crazy? That girl Radha will win Gungun to her side, and Mohan's second condition will not get fulfilled. She's a troublemaker, that witch.
No, Mom. What you consider trouble is an opportunity for me.
The phone fell!
My phone!
My flower pot!
My phone, not the flower pot!
The father doesn't go to work. Daughter doesn't go to school.